In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a simple 3D smile emoticon in Adobe Illustrator. Let's dive right in. To start, open up Adobe Illustrator on your computer. Once you have it open, we're going to get started by grabbing the ellipses tool. This tool is essential as it allows you to create your base shape. Draw a circle that will serve as your emoji face. Now that you have your circle, let's make it colorful by changing the fill to gradient. This step will help provide depth and a lively look to your emoticon. Next, choose the radial gradient option. This choice is popular for achieving that classic emoji yellow, encapsulating the playful warmth of a conventional emoji. With your base set, we need to move on to the facial features, so go ahead and grab the ellipses tool once more. We're now going to create the eyes. Draw a smaller circle on your canvas. Once you have this circle, change the fill to black. This solid color will form the eyes of your emoji. To create an overlapping shape for the eyes, hold Ctrl along with Alt to duplicate the shape. Adjust its position so it overlaps halfway. This overlapping approach helps in giving more character to the shapes. Then, press Shift and M to access the Shape Builder tool. By having this tool, you can select the overlapping shapes and remove any excess parts that aren't needed. This will help clean up your design and keep the eye shape precise. For two identical eyes, hold down the Alt key and drag your crafted shape to duplicate it. Once duplicated, position it properly on the face. Now, using the same duplication method, let's work on the mouth. Drag and then reposition and resize it accordingly to form a smiling mouth at the bottom of the face. Finally, let's add more dimension with gradients. Click on the gradient tool and then click on the base of your emoji face. This is where you'll refine the color and shading. Click the outer edge of the diameter and while holding the Alt key, drag it down. This action will adjust the gradient spread. Then, click the other endpoint in the middle of your circle and drag it toward the opposite edge. Doing this adds a touch of lighting, which provides a 3D effect and brings your emoji to life. There you have it. A simple yet effective 3D smile emoticon crafted in Adobe Illustrator. With these straightforward steps, you've captured the essence of a smiley face. Practice these techniques and soon you'll be designing a whole range of emoticons. Thanks for watching, and happy illustrating!